Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you take a screenshot from video on iPhone. So to take a screenshot from video on iPhone, at first just open the video that you want to take a screenshot. I'm going to photos. Now after selecting the video, just click on the play icon on the video and pause where you need to catch the screenshot, just like from here. And after that, all you need to do is just click on your volume up button and your side button at the same time, like this. And by clicking this, your screenshot will be taken, and click the top left done. You can save it to photos, like clicking on save it to photos. So guys, that's how you can take a screenshot from video on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.